And we're live. Awesome. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is Sunday, December 30th, 2018. Ooh, those are dirty. Um, we are checking out today's Bitcoin USD on the 1-day chart for Coinbase. Remember yesterday when I said I knew what direction the market was going in, and your safe bet was to take the opposite trade? Dang, those are really dirty. What the heck? So, yeah, if you would have done that, you would have done fine. Meanwhile, I've had to hold through the up and the down. The up wasn't so bad, actually. It was a lot less than I thought, but I thought, well, if it goes anymore, I might have to get stopped out. I almost got stopped out or stopped back in. So here we go. Let's take a look at the charts. Here we go. The current price is $3,788. I'm going to clean this up a little bit and let's pull up the indicators. Bitcoin is still a buy, but I'm thinking that it's going down. We just got a death cross here on this new candle here that we're working on. And, okay, please ignore these indicators because see how they're saying two different things. This one's going up, this one's coming down. It's money flow. I am not sure exactly which one to follow. And for now, I'm just using RSI and volume along with my moving averages, which make total sense. Yeah, so right now, you see how we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of straddling the line. It is what it is, and I'm assuming that we'll probably get a sell-off here soon. I was thinking we were going to go down. I think we'll go down before we go up. I think this is getting real long in the tooth here. We talked yesterday about this structure being real far out on the limb. Too cantilevered, too far out, and I think it's going to kind of come down. So, yeah, that's my opinion there for Bitcoin. BTC USD on the 1-day Coinbase. Let's jump into... Oh, real quick, total market cap, $125 billion currently. XRP is at, where are we at? Okay, so this is the chart for Ripple. We got a bunch of folks over, so it's going to probably be a little noisy. Here's Ripple, the Ripple chart on the 1-day. We are currently right here straddling the line. And it's been given us 2 days of sell-off. However, we have a beautiful uptrend here that's been going for quite some time. So I'm looking forward to that continuing. We still probably have to come down a little bit more to test that line before bouncing higher. I kind of anticipated a sell-off. In fact, I anticipate the market deciding what to do. We could either have a break up and go higher or a break down. The breakdown, I believe, would be because a lot of people are expecting Ripple to reach a certain large number before the end of the year, 589, I believe, to be exact. And we only have a day to go. I don't think it's going to happen. I think 589, as predicted by a few people, means something entirely different, and I can get into that later. In fact, I will get into that later on another video talking only about Ripple. But yeah, right now I just anticipate it pulling down to the line, maybe a little lower, just to check it, and then possibly get a bounce or rebound after that. So that is Ripple. Let's move on to LTC USD on the 1-day Coinbase is $30.88. Litecoin is still a buy, though barely. Let's look at Ethereum. ETH USD on the 1-day Coinbase is 135.42. That is a lot more bullish than Bitcoin or Litecoin at this point. So Ethereum is looking like the stronger horse in the race. Let's move on to ZRX. 0x is 31 cents basically. So 0x is barely holding on here with just volume alone. I would stay in this trade currently, though I have it marked out as a sell. Oh, it was probably looking worse before. So yeah, here's basic attention token, a sell. Tron, let's dive into Tron real quick. Okay, so Tron continues its upward march, uptrend. We're getting a bit of a relief right here. Hopefully it decides to run higher, but I'll have you know that RSI could give us a golden cross and we could go higher. So that is definitely there. Did you buy it? Still a sell. It's not there yet. We had a little bit of a test of that 50-day. I really want to see it take off, but I don't think it will. Theta is creeping down. It's creeping down real good, like it's gonna be a sell here, so hold on to it, but it could be going south. Here's Proppy, PRO. Okay, I know we've had some hard times with Proppy, but the trend, I've been saying, stay in it. We got this big push in volume. I'm hoping that it just continues, you know, the slow grind on up. So we're going to hold on and see what happens. We're about to get a golden cross on RSI, which could bring us higher. I would say let's test the bottom of that Kumo cloud, shall we, and see what happens. Populous, PPT. Populous is still a buy. We're getting a bit of a pullback here, testing that 9-day moving average. OMG, still a sell, but we are getting a little bit of lift here, which is nice, but still below the 9-day. Humanique, this is my deadline. I thought with all that volume incoming, this was it back here, that it would start performing maybe even later, but the deadline's been hit, and I don't think we're going to get a pop out of it. And sad to say, but there's nothing here for now. Okay, moving on to XLM. Stellar Lumens. Okay, on the day. Look at us. We're below the 9-day. Diminishing volume. Downward RSI. We are getting a little bit of lift right now from volume, or from money flow. I think it's still going to try to touch down here, and I think that would be a real nice light touch and then run higher. ADA, Cardano. Still going. Got to be proud of this coin. Stay in it. Tezos, still a sell. QLC. QLC. Let's see what we got here. Well, we got for QLC a nice top. Been pulling back, but it's not really dumping yet. So I'm staying in it. Let's stay in it and see where it takes us. Hopefully it'll be like Tron and just keep running. Aeon. Oh no, that's different coin. Aeon, let's see here. Aeon, we had it as a sell. It makes sense. We're kind of got our death cross here. Money flow is a little weak, and a little death cross down here. So we'll see. This is still a sell. Bitcoin Cash SV continuing its downtrend. Come on down here to this line so we can buy it, okay? You know, that's what we need to do. We need to buy it right there so we can start going up and sell it up here. It'll be a good trade. I'm really excited about that. Here's Doge continuing its downtrend. It's okay. Don't be worried about this. It's all right. EOS is barely holding on to its uptrend. Barely. It's just not showing much signs of life. In fact, it looks like it wants to give us a death cross here. Interesting. So, but Yeah, it's barely a buy. Pay. Ooh. Oh no. Look at pay. What a disaster. Brutal, brutal green. As soon as it gave us enough uplift, they dumped on it. So pay 10x, brutally dumped on. Yowza. Well, you can keep that one as a sell, right? Oh man, that is nasty. Haven't seen that in a while. Yowza. Somebody doesn't like pay. And when I got out, that was a good price. Whew. Looks like I could have got a better pickup on that buy, but I'm just out of pay totally, so there's no reason for me to even look at this. And we've got a bunch of XRP for some reason. Okay, so anyway, that's that for now. Thank you guys for joining me today. For the evening Bitcoin update, not a lot of great news. Everything is flat or downtrending. The best one in the bunch today is Tron, and it has been kind of been our little golden child for a while. It's kind of doubled in price. It's looking just fantastic. So that's what it looks like here. I would love to see some continuation of the upside, but we are getting to the end here. Something's gonna happen. You're either gonna break up or break down. I'd hate to see this. I hate it when it breaks up, man. But yeah, we're gonna have to stay above that 9-day moving average. You guys, it might be wise to set some stops, right? Thinking about it, if you're in Tron, set some stops so you don't miss out on anything. But if it wants to run higher, you let that market lead. Okay, talk to you all soon. God bless you guys. See ya. I'm out.